even more complex and far more peaceful. It is a column of leafcutter ants. If army ants are like a single predator, then this is a single giant herbivore. Sister ants by the millions, all born to one queen and all in service of one enormous colony.
This surprising clearing in the understory of the rainforest is the result of the work of leafcutter ants. What we're looking at here is the surface of a huge nest. This is soil that's been excavated up from underground, and it's been done by millions of workers that are toiling away under my feet right now.
Below ground lies an ant city as big as a school bus. A vast network of arteries links hundreds of separate chambers. Each room has a specific purpose. And each ant has a specific job to do. Leafcutters assemble the most specialized workforce of all ants. Scouts are the eyes of the superorganism. They search for desirable foliage and leave a scent trail that marks the way for the mouth.
The mouth of the superorganism is the many tens of thousands of foragers that are out in the field cutting up leaves and bringing them back to the nest. Unlike a single organism, though, where you have one mouth, what you have in a leaf-cutting ant colony are tens of thousands of mouths out there, and they can cover a lot of territory.
Big forager ants clip the leaves into portable sections. As they slice, small quality controllers inspect the leaves for harmful bacteria. The first job done, the foragers hoist up their clippings. And convey them below ground into the belly of the beast. The leaves aren't for the ants. They're food for this. A subterranean garden of fungus that grows nowhere else. The leaves nourish the fungus. The fungus feeds the ants. In one sense, these ants are farmers who perfected agriculture about 50 million years before humans did. But if the colony is viewed as a superorganism, the fungus is just part of the digestive system. It converts the leaves into a form that the cells, the ants, can use.
And every day they're going out and they're taking as much fresh vegetation as an adult cow would take. It is the fungus that's digesting what would otherwise be indigestible food and turning it into ant food for the ants.
Each fungus garden grows to about the size of a head of lettuce and weighs about half a kilogram. A single colony can hold over 100. Where there's a digestive system, there's solid waste to deal with. Tainted by the service they perform, they are condemned to toil in the bowels of the city. Foragers, gardeners, sanitation workers, all these individual ants are part of a single metabolism. This supremely organized society could only be achieved through total cooperation. And they cooperate because they recognize each other as members of the same reproductive organism. Whether it's a complex society of leafcutters or smaller colonies like harvester ants, sisters of the same nest cooperate. Ants from different nests are mortal enemies, even if they're the exact same species. This competition helps keep ant populations in balance.